हेलो एवरीवन। तो कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप आप सब सही होंगे। मैं भी बढ़िया हूँ। तो आपको पता होगा हमने ऑर्गेनिक के इंट्यूटिव सीरीज़ को स्टार्ट किया है। तो जिसमें मैंने फर्स्ट लेक्चर्स हाइपर कंजुगेशंस का लिया था एंड सेकंड लेक्चर इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट का ले रही हूँ। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट। फर्स्टली वी डिस्कस अबाउट हाउ कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड इज फॉर्म्ड. We know by mutual sharing of electrons covalent bond is formed. Now we discuss about this compound hydrogen and fluorine. You all know that fluorine is more electronegative atom in the periodic tables, and hydrogens is electropositive atom. Now hydrogens have one electrons and fluorine have one electrons, and both are mutual sharing of their electrons and formed covalent bond. Now hydrogen and fluorine between these are covalent bonds. Now we discuss about what is inductive effect. Let me discuss about hydrogen and fluorine. Hydrogens and fluorine between these are covalent compounds. Now you know fluorine is most electronegative atoms than any compound. So here electronegative increases and there is electronegative decreases. Now partial negative charge is developed in a fluorine and partial positive charge is developed in hydrogen. Thus shifting of electrons from less electronegative atoms towards more electronegative atoms. तो हाइड्रोजन से फ्लोरीन की तरफ क्या होगा, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की शिफ्टिंग होगी. Because you all know that fluorine is also electron withdrawing group, that why there is minus I formed, and hydrogen is electron releasing group, here plus I is formed. Now inductive effect is a temporary or permanent effect. Let me clear you, inductive effect is a permanent effect. Now factor affecting inductive effect. Let me discuss factor affecting inductive effect. You also know electronegative is a attracting shared pair of electrons, and now we discuss factor affecting inductive effect. First factor is affecting in a inductive effect is distance. If distance is increases, then inductive effect is decreases. Let me clear about this compound. You know that this is a first carbon, second, third, and fourth. Here chlorine is a electronegative atom, then partial negative charge in develop in chlorine and partial positive charge develop in carbon. Now partial positive charge develop in this carbon also, but less than this carbon. First carbon से कम होगा इस पे इलेक्ट्रॉन पॉजिटिव, देन इस पे उस इससे भी सेकेंड कार्बन से भी कम होगा थर्ड कार्बन पे, एंड फोर्थ कार्बन पे आते आते इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट नेग्लिजिबल हो जाएगा. नाउ यू नो डिस्टेंस बढ़ता है मतलब इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट घटेगा. सेकेंड इज डिग्री ऑफ कार्बन. You know, this is a primary, secondary, and tertiary. Let me clear you. In a tertiary carbon, inductive effect is much higher than secondary, and secondary is much higher than a primary. Now we discuss about this hybridization. Third effect is hybridization. Hybridization, you know, single bond is here, and carbon, this carbon has sp3 hybridization, this carbon is sp2 hybridization, and this is sp2 also, and this sp2 also. So here plus I is developed and here minus I is developed. Now sp has a more inductive effect than sp2 than sp3. Now we differentiate minus I groups and plus I groups. Let me clear you. Functional groups are electron withdrawing groups, and that is minus I affecting groups. Just like OH, you all know that this is alcohol and this is a functional group. That's why electron withdrawing groups these are, and chlorine is also a functional group and electronegative atoms, and these are also electron withdrawing group. That why they show minus I affecting groups. Now we discuss about plus I affecting groups. Just like alkyl groups are electron releasing groups, that's why alkyl group show plus I affecting groups. इसमें भी हम देखेंगे जो नंबर ऑफ कार्बन जिसमें ज़्यादा होगा उसमें इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट ज़्यादा होगा. तो नाउ यू नो ये थर्ड वाला जो एटम है हमारा, इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा कार्बन है, मतलब प्लस आई ये सबसे ज़्यादा शो करेगा, एंड देन सेकेंड में इससे फर्स्ट से ज़्यादा है तो उसके बाद सेकेंड वाला आएगा, एंड नो इसमें सिर्फ एक कार्बन है तो इसमें सबसे कम इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट शो करेगा. Now we discuss how to solve questions in an inductive effect. So you all know that fluorine has more electronegative than, and let me clear you, halogens are more electronegative than any compound. So here hydrogens and fluorine have more electronegative. That's why so minus I and partial negative charge is developed in a fluorine, and plus I is developed in a hydrogens. And this is also a functional group and most electronegative than methyl. That I here minus I is present and here plus I is present. This compound is also, this is a functional group. Here minus I is developed, and this is a methyl group also, ethyl group also. That way here plus I is sold. Now we discuss about this question, where is more inductive effect present. So firstly, you know that where fluorine is more electronegative than chlorine and chlorine is more electronegative than bromine, where electronegative more electronegative than fluorine. So here inductive effect more than chlorine, and bromine has less electronegative than chlorine. That's why here chlorine has more inductive effect than bromine. Now we discuss about this compound. Here you know that this carbon is a primary carbon, this carbon is a secondary carbon, and this carbon is a tertiary carbon. We know that in a tertiary carbon have more inductive effect than secondary than primary. So this will be like just like third tertiary carbon is a more inductive effect than secondary. Now we discuss about last compound,